guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav, and I am going to be doing another My Legion secret review. I want to show you guys that this traffic converts. It has been converting for me really well, and an easy strategy as well for you specifically if you want to start learning how to use My Legion secrets to get those sales and actually convert that traffic for you to generate more sales in affiliate marketing. Now, obviously, guys, nothing is guaranteed. I cannot guarantee results here. You do have to put in the work. You do have to put in the effort. But I'm hoping that this video will be educational for you, that you can go, start, implement, and just be consistent with the skill set for you to start paving the way for your dreams to come true. So let me go ahead, first and foremost, and share with you my screen so that I can get into the nitty-gritties of this strategy and of this traffic source. So guys, here I am on my screen, and I wanted to share with you specifically how you can first start to get 100 leads every single day. What is My Legion Secrets? How does it actually help you? Will it help you? If you guys haven't seen the videos that I've done in the last few weeks, then I suggest to go and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification right now so that you get notified for future videos on My Legion Secrets, but even other information that I'm sharing. But more than anything else, let me actually move my screen right here and show you exactly how this page works. So in the description below, guys, you will find a link to this page itself. Now, this page is basically a landing page where you can see everything about My Legion Secrets, how it works. It's a really nice in-depth 9-minute video, converts really well also. And just to let you know, My Legion Secrets, I'm giving you guys directly at the moment how much it costs. It's basically $1 a day, $30 a month. It's a monthly fee that's there, and added to which you will have a 30-month one-time setup fee, which is the first month. And then after that is $30 per month. Now, I've been in My Legion Secrets, guys, for the last almost 30 days. Okay, I'm not even saying 30 days because at the time I'm shooting this video, it's the end of March. This is kind of a March review for My Legion Secrets, my first 30 days on the platform, how it has been, what kind of leads I've been getting, why I got into My Legion Secrets in the first place. So let me start with saying that I got to My Legion Secrets traffic in the first place, and I saw it as a no-brainer because of what you see on the screen right now, 100 leads every single day. So my aim was to simplify the affiliate marketing process for everybody who's deciding to join, but also for myself, because I do have a day job, I do have things to do. So I just wanted a plug and play, basically, where I can practice affiliate marketing skill sets. Now, I believe that affiliate marketing has two phases. One is the phase where you're selling other people's products, and the second is getting into the product creation phase yourself, utilizing the skill sets that you have created in order for you to generate then more substantial income and long-term income for yourself. So this is the two things combined, right? So this is phase one, where I'm just sending traffic to other people's offers, getting sales on that and a commission on that, and basically learning the skill sets along the way. And the only skill set that you really need is traffic generation. This solves the problem for traffic generation. So the second skill set is email marketing, which also solves the problem because I'm sending out an email. And if you don't know how to do email marketing, then you're learning, and step by step, you can start to see what converts, what doesn't convert, what is spammy, what is not spammy, because people make this mistake all the time, guys. I've been online for some time and they always make this mistake. So I think this tool itself solves two problems. One is the traffic. Second is the email marketing skill set. So these are two important skill sets as an affiliate marketer. That's why I personally got in. I really don't care if I'm earning from it. I'm sharing this with you because it's working for me. That's all. I'm not using it as an income stream as itself. It can be definitely an income stream, but I'm not using it as an income stream. Okay, I'm using it as a traffic generation source where I get leads and I can convert those leads into sales. That's pretty much it. That's my motivation. That's my intention. And I'm documenting my journey along the way. So if you're interested, by the way, in getting these leads, then all I will say is that you can check the link in the description. It'll take you to this page and you can see it. But basically what you get access to is a page like this. And every single day, let me show you also, every single day. So I got started on the 6th of March, as you can see, and every single day I got 100 leads. So I'm able to use the system to email these 100 leads. And now I'm not taking these leads out, but you can if you want to, and then add it to your autoresponder. I suggest not to do that, just because autoresponders don't like in general when you have to transfer lists in general. They don't like it. So I would not do that. But these leads that are coming here, and you can see for the first, since the 6th till the 20th, I was basically getting 100 leads. And then you can see then I started getting 200 leads every single day. But the 100 leads every single day is because I just joined the platform, right? And then I got a sale in My Lead Gen Secrets itself, because I managed to get one person on the platform who's doing it. And I didn't really try much at all. I literally sent 4 emails out to the leads here and got a sale there. And basically that's how I now started to get 200 leads per day. So it's just beneficial for me to get 200 leads per day. But even if you don't and you're just on 100 leads per day, it really doesn't matter. You can still continuously use this traffic. The point is to use the traffic, right? So I got 100 leads every single day from the 6th of March, and I sent an email every single day. So today is the 30th of March when I'm shooting this video. This video will be out already in April, just FYI. So this is a full month, basically, or month of March review. Every single day got 100 leads, and then got 200 leads for the last 10 days, basically from the 21st till now. So last 10 days, I've been getting around 200 leads per day. That's how I am doing it. These leads that exist on My Lead Gen Secrets are pre-qualified leads, which basically means that they said yes to being sent offers. That's it. They've said yes to being sent offers. Now that means you can send them My Lead Gen Secrets offers, or you can send them to another sales page, or you can send them to another landing page and then collect those leads and so on and so forth. But they're responsive leads that they know that they're going to be buying, basically. Now, some of them will not, obviously, some of them will. It is not a guarantee. But what I've been doing is I've been trying to convert these leads into sales. That's the whole purpose of me as an affiliate marketer. So what I did was I will show you. I started to send emails out every single day. And let me go to the first day. As you can see, I sent to 200 people on the 7th. So I got on the 6th, and then the 7th, I sent my first email and I got 38 clicks. So I was learning along the way every single day. As you can see, emails that was sent out, a link that goes to basically a page. Okay. This was for the first few days. And now pretty much, let me share with you. I've been doing it every single day till the 30th. So you can see that it's every single day. I've been sending out emails, and I'm averaging around 50 clicks per email. Why am I looking at clicks? Because I'm trying to convert this mindset of understanding my traffic source. So this is the traffic source that I'm using. I want to understand how many clicks do I need to get a sale. And right now I haven't averaged that out yet because it's the first month. But in this first month, I've been sending I've been sending emails out every single day. I've been getting clicks every single day. I've been not getting the same amount of clicks every day. Some are less, some are more. This one was a good email, for example. I got 79 clicks. Here I got 50 clicks yesterday. The previous day I got 61, 51. So I'm averaging around 50 clicks each and every email that I send, with 3,300 or 3,500 right now emails that I have, leads that I have. So what is the whole process behind this? The whole process is I go to the email system right here, I go to the mailing system right here. I select all the leads. This is literally the process. I write a subject. If I can load the previous emails that I've sent, so I've spent a month and I can see what converts and maybe send it again after some time. It's up to me. Then I can write the subject, and then I can write my email down here and send it, simply put. Now, I did that this morning, so I cannot do it again for 24 hours. Every 24 hours, I can send out an email. So it's one email every single day that you send. It's a good habit to have, to send one email every single day. So this is the whole system itself. This is how it works. And what I've been doing is basically sending, and let me show you one of my last emails so that you understand. Let's see the email that I sent today. Okay, so this is the email that I sent today. And if you click on this link, it basically takes you to the offer that I'm selling. Now I'm tracking everything, guys. Okay, I'm literally tracking everything. So let me reopen that page, go back. I'm tracking every single thing that I'm doing. So when I send out an email and I get a sale, I'm sending it to not My Lead Gen Secrets. Okay, a lot of people have been making videos and saying, oh, My Lead Gen Secrets converts to My Lead Gen Secrets offers only. Yes, it does, because let me show you guys here. I do have a member that joined, and if you see, it's from My Lead Gen Secrets. So it does convert, okay, with My Lead Gen Secrets as an offer. But even without it as an offer, what I'm basically going to share with you today is that I personally, over the last month that I'm actually doing this, I have, you can see right here, sub ID, my MLGS. So this is one offer that I was testing for this last month, and I've been sending it there. And basically, I've earned about $78.48 just from my lead gen secrets leads. And you can see right here from the top is the 1st of March to the 30th of March. That means the total sales has been $100 already plus. So it's $100 of sales that I made. In commissions, what I've earned is $78. Okay, because this as an affiliate market, I'm not going to earn 100% of the commissions. I'm going to earn a percentage of that. As it's a good enough percentage, as you can see right here, with just 5 sales that I've made, it has been it's resulted to $78.47. But I made sales of $100 already just in 3 weeks of using this platform, because the first week I didn't send anything. I joined on the 7th of March. So in March, I made $100 just from sending that. Now that obviously means the $60 that I paid right initially, right? I've already made that money back in the first month by just following every single day and being consistent and getting better at my emails so that I get clicks, opens and clicks. These are the only things that this is the only thing that I'm looking at with my lead gen secret. So I wanted to give you guys this idea, an overview, and show you that it actually converts. And if you want to know my strategy of how I'm writing the emails, what am I actually doing to write the emails, I have on my YouTube channel. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, click the bell notification, subscribe, hit that like, comment below, let me know. But I have an email marketing strategy right here for ChatGPT, and it actually shows you in it over here. Okay, so you can use this strategy and it goes through every single thing, how I write the email and how I send it out to my lead gen secrets itself. Now, obviously, I'm giving different examples here. I will do more training. I will also leave a playlist in the description for my entire videos on my lead gen secrets, so you can follow along the way. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video has been educational. I hope this video has given you the knowledge more than anything else, and the confidence that choosing a traffic source, which in my opinion, for somebody who has a full-time job, is a no-brainer to get started and send out an email per day, which takes me 5 to 10 minutes and still is generating me income. It has been generating me income for the first month. I will be documenting it as I go along the way. If you're interested in getting my lead gen secrets, as I said, you can use my link in the description below. Otherwise, guys, enjoy sending out that email, enjoy the process as I am doing, and I hope that these videos bring more value to you on a daily basis. Have a great day, keep paving the way for your dreams to come true, and we'll see you on the next one.